Welcome to the Twine Investing Tool Full Review, Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. In this video, we're taking a close look at Twine, an investing tool designed for couples looking to manage shared financial goals. Links to the product are in the description below for your convenience. Twine is an app built for people who want to invest together, whether it's for a joint savings goal, buying a home, or saving for retirement. It allows partners to create shared investment accounts, where both individuals contribute to and manage a portfolio together. The tool offers automated investing based on your risk tolerance and goals, with a mix of diversified portfolios that can include ETFs and bonds. A key feature is the ability to set specific goals within the app, track progress, and collaborate on decisions in real time. Additionally, Twine is straightforward and easy to use, making it ideal for couples who are new to investing but want to grow their wealth together. Twine is particularly well suited for couples who are looking to take a more hands-on approach to investing without being experts in the field. It simplifies the investment process, allowing both partners to participate and make decisions together, which makes it a great tool for beginners or those with basic investment knowledge. The platform offers a low-fee structure with no account minimums, making it accessible for couples at any financial level. Plus, it's available on both mobile and desktop, so you can manage your investments on the go. That said, Twine isn't for everyone. If you're an experienced investor or want to trade individual stocks, you may find Twine's investment options too limited. The platform also doesn't offer tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs, which could be a drawback for people looking to optimize their tax situation. In conclusion, Twine is a great choice for couples who want to invest together in a simple, collaborative, and low-cost way. It takes the complexity out of investing, making it easy for partners to stay aligned on their financial goals. If you're a couple looking to start investing, Twine is definitely worth considering.